Hey guys, Everyday Lawn here. My wife has taken an interest in vegetable gardens and growing her own herbs at the house. She's done some research on DIY raised beds. We cobbled together some stuff. There's just 1x cedar planks. It's used for fences. We also had 1x1 or 2x2 posts that we had cut. All of this was cut at Home Depot. It's like 25 cents a cut. I don't want to bother with the saw. I don't have a saw. I'm like accident prone. That's just not an option for me. Home Depot or Lowe's can probably take care of you with the cuts. You just have to pay 25 cents. It's really simple. You just need a drill, some deck screws, the planks, and the post. Let's go. These are just deck post screws. They kind of color match to the cedar wood. It's a star shape, and I think we have that. We might need to change the drill bit to accommodate for that, but it's a self-tapping screw. It's got a unique design. I think prevents it from coming out. The cedar wood is fairly soft, and it should be easy to drive these screws into the wood to make the attachment. But before you go crazy looking for the star head, this pack comes with it. So just look inside the box for this bit. It'll come equipped and you don't need to buy anything additional. Exterior screws, tan, grip right. I'm going to drive the screw into the board through the post to secure that. What my lovely wife has done here is used an additional post to get this just level. It's easier to work with that way. So we're going to drive these screws in. Should take pretty quick. Initially we pre-drilled in the other raised bed we did. We didn't do that here. That split the wood. Let's pre-drill these and get them in correctly. Since we have the drill bit on there, we will stay consistent and put the pilot holes through each one of the posts and board, and then switch over to the screw. Now for the long boards. Now remember, since we already pre-drilled on the short end, the posts, we don't need to do both ends. This last one's a little tricky since we already drove one of the fasteners in and found out it split the wood. So always pre-drill. So now you have a fastened bed. At this point you kind of get the picture. You can decide which side is up and down, what will be your main facing side, and hopefully you chose some good clean boards to work with, and I want to thank my wife for helping me. Alright guys, thanks for checking this out. Peace.